So there you are. You are in the URP pipeline in Unity, and you would like to have some basic bloom or glow effect into your text and for your canvas in your game. I will show you the basic process of doing it and why it might not work for the basic level, so you're aware of some of the challenges you might notice later. So this is the basic part. It's a clean scene, so you'll get to see the post-processing effect as well, and me stumble around because I don't actually memorize this process when I'm in Unity and I work at different projects. It gets a bit mixed up when you are in the URP, HDRP. It's different process sometimes. So the first thing you want to do is let's first create the UI text. Alright, and let's just call it testing post-process bloom. Right? Let's make it a bit bigger, so we have like more space, and maybe even something like this. Right? And let's create a camera over here. Let's turn on post process. It's okay to have it on default in this case. And see if I remember this. It's fine, it's fine. Alright. Check the canvas. Change screen space overlay to screen space camera. Drag and drop the render camera. You'll see it changes. Select the text and just add it there. And as I said, you can just increase its width and height, which should allow you to increase the process. Okay, now you should, for this particular sample, an example, change the color to white. Otherwise it will not detect the black and white concept of emissive texture, which is the hint here. So let's make it white and it should glow. Right. Let's make a new empty, call it PP for post processing. Add a component, volume, just create a new one. Add override, add the bloom, take all, do like intensity, and you can have like a different tint. Maybe you want a green tint, something like that. So that's how quickly you can get started with having your text having a bloom effect. So that's about it. I will keep making videos as I see questions pop up in comments or on different Discord channels or Reddit or different places. I'm keeping an eye out of repetitive questions that pop up a lot, and if there aren't any tutorials for it. And of course, if you're into Unreal, I'm also open for questions for that, and I will make some content for that too. But I work a lot professionally right now in Unity, which is why you've seen me switch from Unreal to Unity. There's no preference for me on what engine or software I use. It always depends on where's the money coming from and what I responsible for. So that's a really quick 4-minute video, hopefully useful. See you. Have a nice day.